We'll guide you through how to create a donation link on Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Streamlabs website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the tipping option. Here, you can choose your preferred payment processors, such as PayPal or credit card options. Make sure to link your PayPal account or any other payment method you wish to use by entering the necessary credentials and following the prompts to authorize the connection. After you've set up your payment methods, you will be given a unique donation link. This link is what you'll share with your audience so they can send you donations. It's a good idea to customize your donation page with your branding and messaging, which you can do in the donation settings as well. You can add a description, set minimum donation amounts, and even add alerts that will display during your stream when someone donates. Once you've got everything set up the way you like, copy the donation link provided and add it to your streaming descriptions, social media profiles, or wherever you communicate with your audience. This makes it easy for your viewers to find and use the link to support you. And that's it, you're all set to start receiving donations on Streamlabs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.